Hi everyone, my name is David Fatula and I am the Director of Technical Services here at Islandstone. In this video I'm going to provide an overview of installing the Precipice and Interwoven Ledger 4-piece corner sets. This tutorial is specific to the layout and installation of projects featuring a single outside corner. I will be using Precipice for demonstration, but Interwoven is offered with the same 4-piece corner configuration. For a complete guide on proper installation, please see our dimensional stone installation instructions, which are available for download from the resources section of our website, islandstone.com. We begin by identifying the 4 distinct pieces that make up the corner set. We refer to them as 1A, 1B, and 2A, 2B. When installed, these 4 pieces fit together with the 2 long corners paired along the first row and the 2 short corners paired along the second row, and then alternating up the rest of the corner. Begin by placing piece 1A against the base of the wall as shown. Then place 1B against the adjacent wall, fitting the pieces together until they interlock tightly at the corner as shown. Follow the same approach using pieces 2A and 2B for the second row. With the 4 corners assembled, you can now use full panels along your bottom row to complete both sides of the wall, moving outwards from the corner as shown. Follow the same approach on your second row using panels to complete both sides of the wall, moving outwards from the corner as shown. Having completed the first 2 rows, you can now repeat these steps, building upwards until the installation is complete. For projects with more than 1 outside corner, please refer to the appropriate written guides or video tutorials. I hope this tutorial helps you confidently install your Islandstone Ledger corners. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us toll-free at 800-371-0001 or visit us online at islandstone.com. Thank you.